So the passive income that keeps on giving, I'm going to do yet another withdrawal. In this account, I'm doing 394.10. So I'm just going to click on the withdraw button. Like always, I'm going to be withdrawing the max. So I'm withdrawing $394. I'm going to receive into my wallet $389. And if I look down below before I click that withdraw button, here are a list of withdrawals that I've done. Now, I've not made videos for all of these, but as you can see, that one, $444, $331, $363, $433, $515. And all these payments that you see on the screen can all be verified on the blockchain, and the blockchain doesn't lie. So I absolutely love this passive income. So let's click withdraw. So I'll pop that amount into the calculator and let's go and withdraw from our other account. This is my wife's account. So she's got $315.39. So let's withdraw that. Again, I'm going to withdraw the max, which is $315, going to receive into our wallet $311. And before I click that withdraw button again below the withdraw button, you'll see that it says previous payments that were done. And as you can see, they're done. They're already in our wallet. They're all verifiable on the blockchain. So we've got $365, $263, $287, $336. And all of these can be verified on the blockchain. So come back up the top. Let me click on the withdraw button. So let's just add this one to it. So we got $315 equals that up. So that's a $709 just over. Now, I've not made videos for all of these withdrawals, but I really love this passive income. It's the passive income that keeps on giving, a trading bot that's just pumping out money. It really is mind-blowing. Now, if you're interested in finding out how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, I've put together a blueprint for you. You can have it completely free. You'll find the link for it below this video. Click that link, take you over to this page where you can grab a free copy of how I am doing a passive income, taking advantage of crypto volatility using automation and AI. You have a great day. Click the link if you're interested to find out what I'm doing. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.